What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to talk to you about the Stay22 affiliate program and give you my personal review of it. And so far I am very happy with it. I think it's actually one of the best affiliate programs that you can sign up with. If you're in the travel niche and you're trying to promote hotel offers, resorts, places to stay in popular destinations, and you have a website where you can promote these things, Stay22 is excellent, and I'll be showing you how this works. I mean, I only recently started working with this affiliate program and I'm already getting results. I haven't even started promoting it that much on my website, which I'll show you in a moment, but the results are already pouring in, and that tells me that the conversion and the approach that Stay22 takes to help you promote hotels, destinations that people can visit is very superior to other programs that I've used, and I'll show you how that works in this video shortly. Before I do that, let me just quickly say that if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Vitaly. I'm someone that does online business for a living. I do things like affiliate marketing, run ads online. I also run ads on a website that earns me money, email lists, social media marketing, all that sort of stuff. I have knowledge and experience and success in these realms. I teach that to you through these types of videos that you're watching. So if you like the content of this channel, of this video, like, share, and subscribe. Check out the other stuff and leave me a comment if you have any questions. But I also provide, if you're a beginner or you're struggling, a case study and action plan guide that you can access. It's very beginner friendly. It's free. I'll leave a link below this video, and it'll share with you how I make money online, because I do have different things that I do, but one of the main things that I do is I run this website here called The Nature Seeker. It's my personal website that shares destinations. It's basically my travel website, and it makes money through Stay22. Here's another income source. Here's another income source, and there's another one as well. But I teach you how to do this as well through this free beginner course. So I highly recommend that you check that out. Whether it's travel, whether it's some kind of other niche, you can apply what I teach to just about any subject that you're interested in. So check that out below this video. I'll leave it in the description and pinned comment. But back to the subject of Stay22. So let me back up for a second and kind of give you a preview of why Stay22 is even an important program to join. So the first thing is that if you have a website, it's a travel website, and you're funneling traffic to it, one of the best ways that you can earn money from that website is to promote travel offers, specifically hotels, where people can stay if they're interested in going to a destination. You know, tours, in my experience, those things work really well, but if people book hotel stays, and hotels are not cheap, you can get a good juicy commission from that kind of stuff. And what Stay22 does is it gives you the opportunity to promote these kinds of offers by selecting popular destinations that you talk about on your website and creating a map through Stay22 that shares where people can book their hotels. It's if you were ever on Google, for example, and you type in maps for a certain destination, you'll see hotels for that. It does basically the same thing, but you put that on your website, and here's actually an example of that. So here's an article that I have on the subject of 10 awesome things to do in a place called St. Augustine, Florida. And I have a bunch of these articles. I only placed the affiliate link for Stay22 on a few of these, and it's already getting results. So I'm just going to start pushing that a bit more now. But to give you a preview of what this looks like, on this article, because St. Augustine, Florida is a popular destination to visit, I get traffic to the website, and just as well some people might be interested to stay in this place. So as they're scrolling through, I always have a section in these popular destinations that I talk about called Where to Stay. And usually what I would do is, I didn't have a better option than Stay22 before, so what I would do is, where it says where to stay, and you can see this table, which is actually Stay22, I used to just have a little link that says check hotels in whatever the area is, and that is difficult to spot because this website has ads, it has a lot of pictures, and it's easy to kind of overlook those affiliate links, so it's easy for people to miss those links. But with Stay22, they'll give you a map. So this is actually a map of St. Augustine. I actually went to this, I went into Manage My Maps, and I typed in St. Augustine, and it generated a map for me, an HTML code that I then put into my website, and this is what it looks like. And you will notice that this location has different hotels. They can book through Expedia. I think this is from Verbo. And so if people click on this, these are all affiliate links that I have. These are all affiliate links, so if people just click on this and they book through that one, I will get a commission from that. And that just is all that there is to it, and it works because it's convenient that people don't have to go to another window or go to Google or go to another app and this and that. They can do it right there and then. And for some people that's way more convenient than doing it the other way, which is why they do it, and the results are slowly starting to pour in. I mean, I just literally created affiliate links to just a few of my posts, not even 24 hours ago, and already this is coming in. Now, obviously, this is all predicated on the fact that you have a website like I have that's getting traffic, because a traffic without website there's just no lifeblood to it whatsoever. And so you obviously need to have traffic come to your website, relevant traffic, so you can start earning from something like this. But if you are in the travel niche and you want to promote hotels and these sorts of things, Stay22 is an excellent affiliate program to get started with. I am very, very happy with what I'm seeing so far with it, and I highly recommend it. I will also leave a link below this video to this particular program on top of the other beginner guide that I mentioned earlier. So just a quick recap on those links that I talked about. The first one will be to that free beginner guide that teaches you how I built my online business, this specific website, The Nature Seeker. There's going to be an action plan provided with that. And the second link is also going to be to the Stay22 affiliate program. If you're already in the travel niche, maybe you're well into your own affiliate journey and you're doing these things, Stay22 is an excellent asset, in my opinion, for you to get started with. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you want me to do more of a deep dive into this affiliate network and its other features, let me know as well. But if you enjoyed this, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.